Unintentionally, and I'm back. I don't know who needs to hear this video. God wanted me to tell you, the divine, the universe wanted me just to remind you that your smile is gold. It's like gold out here in these dead streets where people are walking around hopeless, no vision. You're the only one that could come through with your bright smile and brighten up somebody's day. You get what I'm saying? And don't get me wrong, some people you smile at, they not like seeing your smile. But let me tell you, some other person will find your smile and take it with delight, and it'll brighten up their day. Something even happened to me earlier today. I was having breakfast. I just got back from Lake George a few hours ago. Having breakfast, and my boy, couple ladies. And I told a little joke. I'm a funny guy. And I threw my little laugh out there, my new laugh. Ha 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 ha! That's my new laugh, by the way, too. Ha 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 ha! The random guy came up to me, man, shook my hand like I was a celebrity, man. I couldn't believe it. He said, man, I don't know what your conversation was about, but just your laugh right now turned my whole morning inside out. It made my whole morning go a better way. And I know that smiles could do that, but man, I never was approached like that. Like, damn. I felt like a celebrity. That made somebody feel good, but that's what chosen ones, the purpose here, our main purpose right here, right now. You know, it's to come onto this earth, show positivity, show people change, you know what I mean? Throw a couple smiles out there. A couple laughs, even if you gotta fake it, man. Because every day ain't the best day. Chosen ones, I know we go through a lot of hard times, you know? But sometimes, you just gotta suck it up, stiffen up the upper lip. Just smile. Show those pearly whites, baby. Even if you got pearly yellows, you know what I mean? Show them, but it's strictly for the chosen. Only chosen. We ain't trying to see no smiles that's not from the chosen, divine. You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to see no chick got to smile if it ain't from the chosen one. You get what I'm saying, chosens? Man, I love y'all, man. Yo, please like, share, and subscribe, man. Let's get this word out there to the other chosen ones, man. Keep your smile on your face all day, baby. It's a nice day. Love life. Live life. Life is good, baby! Ha ha ha!